What's the meaning of Bosnian? Bosnian. Bosnian.
Bosnian. Bosnian. Bosnian refers to anything or anyone related to Bosnia, a country located in the Balkans region of Europe. It gained independence from Yugoslavia in 1992 and has a rich history and culture influenced by its Slavic, Ottoman, and Austro-Hungarian roots. The Bosnian language is one of the official languages of the country, alongside Serbian and Croatian. Bosnian cuisine features dishes such as sabapi, grilled meat served with bread, and burek, a type of pastry filled with meat or cheese. The country is also known for its stunning natural beauty, including the Kravas waterfalls and the Una National Park.